All right, guys, get this clothes in here. Hey, don't forget your shirts. With the busyness of life, it can be difficult to get all your tasks done around the house. And most of those tasks aren't very much fun, especially when you'd rather be spending that time with your children. We've all been there, but there are simple ways to include your children in these daily activities and expose them to great learning opportunities led by their most important teacher, you. Today we're going to take a look at doing the laundry. You might be surprised to find out just how many ways you can address math and literacy while sorting, washing, drying, and folding your clothes.
All right, guys, I'm going to put you in charge of folding the towels today. I'm going to give you each a washcloth to start with.
For starters, everyone sorts their clothes differently. But by discussing how you sort laundry with your child, you are able to introduce the mathematical concept of classifying, also called grouping. For example, you might say, let's put all the light colors into a pile. Now let's sort out the dark colored clothes. Once the clothes are sorted, you're ready to wash. Discuss the washing process by using spatial concepts like in, on, and out.
Ready to put the light load in the laundry, Christian? Yeah. Okay, go ahead and open the door.
Let's put the dirty clothes in the washing machine.
Put them all in.
Now we can put the empty laundry basket on top of the dryer. Okay, let's take the clean clothes out of the dryer.
Done?
As you prepare to fold the clothes, discuss the math skill of comparing. Who has the longer pants? You or Daddy? Who has the smallest shirts? While you're comparing sizes with your child, make a game out of matching socks. You can ask, can you help me match the socks? Let's pick a sock and see if we can find another that matches it. Your child might not match the socks perfectly, but that's okay. You'll learn how your daughter is thinking through or processing the concept of matching. By asking questions like, how do you know those two go together?
Pick up the two corners on one end, and you can do it that way, Christian.
Following directions is another learned skill. Challenge your child by putting her in charge of folding some of the smaller towels or washcloths. Talk through each step in the folding process, and then let her have fun trying to complete this task. It's always important to strengthen your child's vocabulary. Use new words to label and describe the entire laundry process. For example, talk about the texture and names of the clothes you are sorting. This is a soft sweatshirt. These are rough denim jeans. Think about all the potential new words associated with doing the laundry. Don't forget about all the print that surrounds you as you do laundry. You can model the importance of reading by examining the pictures, letters, words, and numbers on the detergent container, their t-shirts, or the washing machine settings.
Hand wash delicates, sanitary, normal, and casual.
Exposing your child to print helps to develop their reading skills because it reinforces that print has meaning. It can be tough to get through your daily chores, but it's nice to have some helping hands.
It's important to give children the opportunity to solve their own problems. More times than not, you find yourself saying, tie your shoe, 100 times a day. And most times, most moms will bend down and tie that shoe rather than take the time to say, hey, sit down here with me. Let's learn how to tie your shoe. You take your shoe, I'm going to do my shoe. When you're talking with your child, you're listening to your child. You're involving them and pulling them into the conversation and listening to what they're saying. Talking at your child is a lot of time just snapping off things you expect, you want done, you want them to do, not asking them to do, and that's very important to them. They're picking up on that sort of thing. It's important for you to always, as a parent, as a teacher, to be patient, to be respectful, to always have something positive to say to a child, to always model good conversation skills, good listening skills.
So where's the learning? It's not just found in the laundry room, it's found in all types of activities. Like when you're making the bed, cleaning the house, or even washing the dishes. Make sure to have fun with your child. It doesn't matter if it's done perfectly, it's the time spent together that counts. Be sure to look for even more daily learning opportunities on the website. Thanks, bro.